Is this the best 3D printed mask we could find? Let's talk about it.
So this is the mask website that I found that I really liked. It's makethemasks.com. It's by a great doctor and a group of people out of the Montana area. Obviously, the Montana mask, and they have a 3D printing instruction and a whole bunch of STL files to follow. I did make some really interesting design changes to this rim right here on the inside. Did some outfill changes. I changed some of the quality procedures for this in Kira. One of the things that I really wanted to do was add a brim to this because I felt like it wasn't adding a lot of quality on the brim side. So I did some support adds in the build plate adhesion to the brim, and it really worked out really well. And so then I started making the mask, and I did the overlay. And this slice, I believe, it's sliced at right around for the full mask. This is the full size mask and not the 90% or the 75% that I needed for two other parts of the project. But I think this sliced at right around 5.
The Ender 3 Pro that we're printing on, and this is our mask. This is the Montana mask. This is the filter gauge, and this is the main nozzle, and it inserts just like so. You turn it around, insert it on here, and it goes right in there. And then you put in a piece of filament or whatever you want to do for your micron paper or whatever you want. You can use an N95, and it goes right in here like this. Pretty sound mask, pretty durable. I really like the hole shape and structure on here. It came out pretty nice. This was printed at 0.2 mm with a 20% infill, and I think it came out pretty well. The only thing we really have to do is do a little bit of manual filing to cut off some of the rough edges. You can see there's a couple rough marks in here that we're going to play with, but also overall the build is really good. It's about a 4-hour and 43-minute build, and I think it worked out very well, and we'll see what happens. This is probably one of the better masks I've found on any of the websites. Again, it's makethemasks.com. A really good website for a 3D print. I did do a little bit of a modification to it on the inside. I actually made it a little bit easier to go around the edge if you want to put a gauze or a gauge in there or something like that where you want to do. But otherwise, this is one of the best masks I found. If you can print in under 4 hours, let us know in the comments below and we'll make sure we get it out there. But I think this is the best mask to print right now, and comes in all sizes. I've already printed one for myself, one for my wife at about 90%, and then one for my 4-year-old, and I printed it at about 75% of this of the normal mask capacity. So if you can figure out how to print it, good luck, and we'll see how many we can get out there.